Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to start 2013 Cadillac ATS with key. Begin by inserting the mechanical key into the slot near the steering column, then turn it to the accessory position, wait for dash lights to cycle, and crank the engine while pressing the brake if required. If the vehicle uses a backup key slot, insert fully and follow the same sequence to ensure reliable starts consistently. When the key won't turn, check steering wheel lock by wiggling the wheel while gently attempting to turn the key, and avoid forcing it. Inspect the key blade for wear and debris, and clean or replace if bent. Confirm battery health in the fob if equipped, and try the mechanical key slot as a backup method to bypass an unresponsive push-button start or immobilizer issues. Always consult your owner's manual for vehicle-specific steps. Always prioritize safety by keeping the vehicle in park and applying the parking brake before attempting a start, and never crank the engine for more than 10 seconds at a time. If multiple attempts fail, wait at least 30 seconds before retrying to protect the starter. Regularly maintain the key, ignition cylinder, and battery to prevent start problems and schedule professional service for recurring faults. Small preventative checks save time and money.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.